we've been driving for a while here, and honestly, I have no idea where we are. We got another guy coming up, Blake. We need to send him a GPS waypoint here in the next probably 40 minutes, or he ain't gonna find us. But we haven't been able to find a site or even anywhere that's worth pulling over for pop our tents and do some camping. So anyhow, we'll check back later. We just made a giant loop around the mountain. No good vantage points. Scott saw a brown bear, which is kind of cool. Looks like a fucking dead end, and maybe where we're gonna sleep.
Well, howdy. Down in the mountains again. This time, trying to link up with Nick and Scott. We've been out in the mountains for, I don't know, probably 4 or 5 hours at this point. I had class late tonight, so headed out to try and find them. I don't know, an hour outside of camp, at least into the general area where I got a pin drop from them. Hopefully it won't be too bad to locate them out there.
What up? 5 o'clock. We just landed at camp. We're gonna take this spot. It's all right. So right now we're gonna jump on the bikes and boogie down to the river and do some fly fishing. Well, I just fell. I'm okay. Looking for a band-aid. Yeah, I was recording. I wasn't paying attention. I hit this hole right over here. Gotta be safe. Minor damage, but we're back on the road. Alright, 6:30, we're on the river. Doing a few casts here. Got one, but it got away. Wasn't very big, so nothing to brag about. But things are going good. Nick is testing out the fly rod. He's never fly fished before, so it's another hobby Nick is gonna have to learn and spend that money to get that gear. Made it to camp. Yeah! Yeah! Alright, we're gonna pack up, find a new spot on the river. Now we're not rushed. It's gonna be an ordeal. It's gonna be an ordeal.
I kind of like this little area right here. That's beautiful.
Alright, so I think this is home. Alright, just got camp set up here. Gonna get ready here. Found a spot, pretty dope. Probably can't see that, but this is what's going on.
Need it.
Looks good. Salad.
Salad in a bag. Oh, get off there.
Loading, loading, straight with the lyrics like I'm bowling, bowling. Keep pushing on, keep rolling, rolling. And when I listen, but I told him one more time. Your favorite MCs, bronze or silver. These raps you are golden.
Good morning. 6 a.m. Time to wake the boys up.
Well, it's time to do some fishing.
Yeah.
This world is not my home, I'm just a passing through. If heaven's not my home, then hell will have to do. The angels beckon me from this dark and eerie door, and I can't feel at home in this world anymore. Run away, I might just run away. I might just leave it all behind and find another day. Thought it through, good God, I thought it through.
Alright, just made it to the spot. Getting our gear set up.
I'm not very good at fly fishing, but I can tell you that I enjoy it. And I know with practice, I'll get better. It's something about being outside with Mother Nature, enjoying the environment, whatever one she wants to give you. Enjoying time with your friends. Enjoying time alone. We only have so much time to be on this earth. And if we gotta do what we want to do, then you gotta do it. Don't let the simple things in life get in your way. Like, look at that cast. Not very good. But I got it.
Yeah.
I'll get even better next time. Practice.
It's a lot of work.
You got one though.
I got one, it feels good.
Boom. This guy pops up. What are you doing, bud?
Just got done fishing. Gonna head back to camp. weekend.